In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Huntington Bank online banking. We'll cover this process step by step, ensuring you have all the information you need to access your banking services easily and securely right from your web browser. To begin, make sure you have a stable internet connection and open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other that you are comfortable using. Once your browser is open, navigate to the official Huntington Bank website. A simple search for Huntington Bank in your search engine will usually bring up the right link as one of the top results, or you can enter the website address directly if you have it on hand. Once you're on the Huntington Bank homepage, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you should see a button labeled Log In. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. Now you'll be prompted to enter your username. Make sure you type in the correct username that you registered with the bank. This is crucial because an incorrect entry will prevent you from accessing your account. After entering your username, move on to the next field and carefully input your password. Again, accuracy is key here, since incorrect passwords can lock you out after a few failed attempts. After you've entered both your username and password correctly, click on the Login button to continue. At this point, for added security, Huntington Bank may ask you to verify your identity. You might see a prompt to enter a security code. This code would be sent to the phone number or email address you have registered with the bank. Check your phone messages or email account for this code, then input it into the prompted field on the website. Completing this step successfully should give you access to your online banking dashboard, where you can manage your accounts, view transactions, and perform various financial tasks securely. It's important to remember to keep your login credentials confidential and to log out once you're done with your banking session, especially if you are using a shared or public computer. This ensures that your sensitive information remains protected. And there you have it, the complete process for logging into Huntington Bank's online banking via a web browser. By following these steps carefully, you should be able to manage your banking tasks online with ease and peace of mind. If you encounter any issues during the login process, consider reaching out to Huntington Bank's customer support for further assistance. Thank you for watching and happy banking.